Strange sounds from your air conditioner can be unsettling, especially during hot summer days. Here are 7 common reasons your AC might be making noise and what those sounds could mean. 1. Loose or damaged parts. Rattling or banging can mean a component has loosened from normal wear and vibration. Fixing it early helps prevent bigger damage. 2. Clogged or dirty air filters. Whistling or weak airflow often points to a clogged filter. Replacing it regularly improves efficiency and reduces strain. 3. Refrigerant leaks. Bubbling or hissing may signal a refrigerant leak, which reduces cooling and increases energy use. This requires a licensed HVAC professional. 4. Fan or motor issues. Screeching or grinding can indicate worn belts, bearings, or motor issues. Ignoring it may lead to costly repairs. 5. Debris inside the outdoor unit. Leaves or twigs inside the unit can cause rattling or banging. Keeping the area clear protects internal components. 6. Faulty electrical connections. Clicking during startup or shutdown may point to loose wiring or failing parts. A qualified technician should inspect this. 7. Ductwork problems. Popping or whistling inside your home could mean damaged or leaking ductwork, reducing airflow and efficiency. Some AC noises are minor, but others need professional evaluation. An experienced technician can diagnose the issue and recommend the right solution. For over 50 years, Southwest Heating and Cooling has been the trusted choice for homeowners in Littleton and South Denver. Contact us today and experience superior comfort. You won't find better service anywhere else.